Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, my name is Alexis. Welcome to Life with Lexi. And if you're a returner, thank you for coming back. Much appreciated. So as usual on my channel, I do my monthly BoxyCharm videos. Disclaimer, I am not sponsored by BoxyCharm at all. This is literally out of your girl's pocket. I pay this every month to have this box. They do not send it to me. So all my opinions and everything like that are authentic. So without rambling on, I'm just going to dive into this month's BoxyCharm box here, which is the April edition. If you're new, subscribe, duh. And if you are a returner, like, comment, all that goodness, and let's get started. Per the usual, if you've been on my channel for a while, I go over this box every month. It's just like a little treat, honestly. Sometimes I forget about it and I'm like, oh snap, like there's my box, hey. So this month is, I believe, a candy thing. Let's see, so this month, got a little card in here. As such, BoxyCharm. Oh, okay, this is, oh, girl, this is cute. I picked a good background. So the month, it looks like it is the eye candy month. And I got all these products inside. That is cute. Looks like we also got some coupons here. 10% off Tarte orders from April 15th through May. I still got some time. And a VIP offer for Dr. Brandt and all that good stuff. So I personally don't use these coupons. I'm just letting y'all know, but you know. So I'm going to dive into the box here. The first thing I honestly see is this palette, which is the Colourpop You Had Me at Hello palette. It says on the pamphlet that this is a highly pigmented shadow, blah, 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 blah. This retails for $18, which is actually true. I've bought in Colourpop eyeshadow palettes before. They are very cute in size, and honestly, I don't have this one. Ooh, look at those colors. Oh, you can see me. I do like this color scheme, to be honest. Oh, I love the purple. We're gonna be creating a look with this, you know. But that's cute, okay. And I love Colourpop eyeshadow palettes because most of them, if not all of them, I think, do come with a mirror and it's a magnetic close. So it doesn't flop all over the place. I like that. So I'll be using this today. Next item I see here, I won't be using this right now because I do have just my base on, some concealer and some brows, so that's why I look a little bit crazy. This looks like the Dr. Brandt Pores No More Vacuum Cleaner. This retails for $47. It says, this award-winning pore refining mask is an extraction specialist, unclogging and tightening the look of pores and reducing excess oil from the skin surface. Your girl's gonna have to give this a try. Next here, I've actually never heard of this brand. Adesse? I don't know. High definition liquid lipstick. Does it tell me the shade? No, it doesn't tell me the shade. This retails for $27, but this honestly looks like a really nice mauve shade. This is probably gonna go really, ooh. It's gonna go well together. Yes. Next by Tarte, we have the Tartiest Pro Glow Liquid Highlighter. I have never used a liquid highlighter. This is new to me. This retails for $29, which is probably, honestly, average for Tarte. But I've never used, ooh, I can always use this. Okay, let's see. Ooh, can see that? Ooh, girl. So I've never used a liquid highlighter, so this is gonna be new. Just off bat, it looks a tad, I mean like a tad bit glittery for me, but we'll give it a shot. I mean, hey. Then last but not least, I have the Browgal by Tanya Crooks, the Instant Brow Hair Tinted Brow Gel with microfibers. So this retails for $22. It claims it's a tinted eyebrow gel with microfibers to achieve a natural hair look, perfect for the customer who wants a quick but natural fill to their brows. Since I already did my brows, I can definitely run over with this to see if it kind of locks it in, because that's personally like what I use brow gel for. But if this has fibers, ooh, let's see. Oh my gosh, it really does have little fibers. My camera won't pick this up, but it really does have little fibers. Alright, so without further ado, let's get started on using some of these products. So clearly the first item I'm going to use, since I have my base on, eyebrows done, and I have set and concealed my eyes, I'm going to go in with the eyeshadow palette You Had Me at Hello by Colourpop. I just love these colors. So let's see, the first color I kind of want to go in and see if it shows up is this color right here. I believe, if I'm reading this right, this color is Moonstruck. Now I am aware of like Colourpop shadows. There are It's like a decent amount of fallout, but nothing too crazy. And then since it comes with a mirror, I'm just gonna use this as a nice transition shade on the eyes. See if it shows up. A little bit. Shows up a little bit on my skin tone. Not too bad. Now, if you guys have never tried Colourpop, honestly, I love their concealers. I love their eyeshadows. I love their lipsticks, lip glosses. I mean, just about anything really. I like. So, I've never had an issue with any Colourpop products, so. Since I kind of want to do like a mauve-y look, kind of go with like the whole candy theme and kind of bring out the pink backdrop here, the next color I'm going with is this color right here, which is Fool's Rush. No, that's gotta be Fool's Rush, don't you think? So wait, it's gotta be Winning Ticket. Whatever color this is, I'm taking that color next. On a Morphe R39 brush. I cleaned all my brushes, so they're a little like fluffy right now, and then I'm going to run that just a little bit lower in the crease from the first shade. And again, I like to pick up just a little bit and then start going back and forth. So with the same brush as before, I'm going to go in with this shade right here, which is like the purpley shade in the palette. I'm going to assume that's FBO, which wait, that's literally called FBO, and put it in my crease there, same brush. Just gonna go like a tad bit lower into the crease. See, I mean, there's pigment. So then again, my trick is I always look down to kind of get my crease, and then I'm gonna put this right on the outer portion. Ooh. Outer portion, and then just kind of buff that into the outer, like basically the outer half of my eye, and kind of work my way in. I'm actually going with a little bit of a smaller brush. This is the Morphe M506 with that color, just to get it a little bit more precise in this like lower like lash line area, and then I can really like do some detail work with this. So just kind of do that and then buff it into the crease. And then the last, just to add like a little bit of smokiness, the last matte I'm going to use is this matte brown here, which I'm pretty sure is Pulling Strings. It's either Pulling Strings or Sparks Fly, and I'm looking like that's gonna be a Pulling Strings color personally. So I'm taking a pencil brush, which I am going to be taking the Sigma E30, taking a little bit of that shadow, and then just focusing it on this outer portion of my eye, just to deepen it up ever so slightly, just to add a little bit of definition, just a little bit. Nothing cray cray. I'm glad that this palette doesn't have a black, because I feel like a black would take this palette, just make it a little bit too harsh. So I actually like that they have the brown in here. I feel like it works with these colors more. So you know, yo girl's gonna have to go in with the shimmer next, because that's just, I do that. That's just my eye look. I like that shape. Duh. So I'm actually going with this goldish kind of color here. That has to be 2Ps, because I feel like this is Candy Graham. So yeah, we're gonna go in with 2Ps. And I like to take a flat brush, which my favorite one recently is the Morphe M124. So I take it on the brush. I always like to spray the brush if I'm doing shimmers, just cause, I mean, even if they are decent without the Fix Plus, I like to use a brush or a spray, because it's just better. I'm going to pack that on the lid space that I kind of kept open. Okay, Colourpop, this is like definitely like more of a goldy color. Alright, so now that the eye, or at least the top of the eye portion is done here, quickly off camera, I'm going to go ahead and finish my eyes. So I'm gonna put lashes on, probably conceal, so then we can use the rest of these goodies when I come back. Alright, I am back in action. So I'm going to just kind of finish the lower lash line here, because I feel like it needs a little something. So with my Sigma Short Shader E20 brush, I'm going to take that purple color, which I think we've decided it was FBO, and I'm going to run that along my lower lash line all the way to the inner part. So next on our list here that I'm going to try, since I've just powdered, bronze, all that, I'm gonna use this brow gel thing here. So what's the color? Some color name, but it has like a little bar here of the color. It's brown, basically. I'm just gonna run this through. I do like the size of this though. I like how it's really skinny, so it kind of gets into the brows, okay? Now, even though I just lightly powdered my face, I'm still going to go in with this Tarteist Pro Glow here. I'm just gonna kind of like squirt it on the back of my hand and then put it on the high points of my cheek, just like I would put any other highlight, like a liquid or a powder, sorry. So I'm just gonna take that on my hand. I'm just gonna kind of dab it a little bit. Okay, there we go. This is probably better used on a really like wet face. Let me see, yeah. I don't know if you guys can see it. It's really subtle. It's cute. I'm not big on liquid highlighters per se, but it's cute. You can see it though. It goes well with this look though. I'll definitely give this another try. And then last but not least, I'm going to be trying the Adesse New York liquid lipstick. Is it Adesse or Adesse? I apologize if I'm saying this wrong, but I don't know. I don't know how to say it. So I'm gonna take this. Yeah, this might work. It feels creamy. Honestly, it's going on like a thick gloss. Like, this doesn't feel like a liquid lipstick at all. I love this color. I don't know if you guys can tell. It's really glossy. Like, really glossy. Like, let me read. Hold on. Okay, it says a high definition liquid lipstick. Okay. Luxurious, creamy, long wearing liquid lipstick provides the dazzling full coverage of a lipstick with the ease of a wand applicator made with advanced polymers and intense pigments. And intense shine. Okay, so this is a liquid lipstick, legit liquid lipstick. This isn't like a matte lipstick or anything. This is a liquid lipstick. I would probably coin it as a thick gloss. I love the color. Goes for the eyes. Alright, so that is it. I used all the products here for this month's BoxyCharm. Just a little recap of the products I love this palette. I love the colors. I love the look I've created. I feel like I can create so many things with this. It's like crazy. Like, and honestly, like, you could wear this every day because it's got your nice like browns and stuff for every day, and a little purple, you know what I'm saying? But love this palette. Totally think it's worth the money and this month's box. So hey, the Pro Glow by Tarte, it's pretty. I could tell it's gonna be pretty. I just didn't put it on probably properly because I put on a little bit too much powder, but I think this would be so pretty if you had like a no makeup day, like literally no makeup, and you pop this on your skin and then, like, you know, like run errands or go to the gym or something like that. I bet you this is gorgeous, but I don't hate it. I just think I have to use it in a different way, so that's that. This liquid lipstick, I don't know if I call it a liquid lipstick. It's more like a lip gloss, like a thick lip gloss, because liquid lipsticks nowadays are more like matte. They kind of set. This is glossy. It's sticky, it's glossy. To me, it's a thick gloss, which I'm not mad at because I love the color and I'm a gloss girl anyways. So, and it smells good. So I'm gonna have to check out this brand more, the Adesse, whatever brand. The brow gel, I love it. I love this. I think it's really cool. It really set my brows. They don't feel heavy. They don't feel like crunchy. You know, some like brow products can kind of make you feel like a little bit crunchy. I don't feel crunchy at all. I love the thinness of this wand. So because you can kind of really get in there. Get the brow hairs really precise in the direction that you want, and because of the little fibers in there, you can kind of build up the front of the brow and get that like wispy effect. I know it's so in now, so I really like that too. Unfortunately, this product I did not try on camera today. This is obviously something I would probably use like tonight when I wipe all this off. But I do like Dr. Brandt. I love his Pores No More primer. We got in a box one time like a micro dermabrasion like scrub thing, which was awesome. Literally used the entire bottle. So I'm curious to see how this goes. But yeah. So as always, thank you guys for coming to my channel, watching my video. I hope you guys enjoyed this month's BoxyCharm box. I did. Last month was an month before that was an I'm just glad I didn't get another mascara because I have too many mascaras from them. So thank you BoxyCharm for that. As always, thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and I will see you guys on the next BoxyCharm video and the next video.